At AT&T Bell Laboratories in Holmdel, New Jersey, researchers are creating an experimental system called Rapport to manage and conduct multimedia conferences. Rapport makes possible real-time interaction among conference participants through both voice and data, offering new levels of communication flexibility. Several kinds of calls can be made from a Rapport workstation, from simple voice calls to conferences in which the participants use their own office computers to share displays and manipulate programs. Rapport presents a graphic of a conventional telephone as a visual framework for call management control. Numbers are dialed either by direct input of digits or through stored codes. Rapport tries to make connections for as many media as possible. If only voice is available, a conventional call is put through.
Cynthia King speaking.
Conferees using workstations running Unix and the X window system see a visual representation of a conference room and scanned-in photos of each other. They can also see common displays produced by various application programs. These programs are active entities, and participants may use them to produce and modify data during the meeting. In this manner, Rapport takes not only the place of a conventional blackboard or slide presentation, but also provides computer support for meetings. Each participant is provided with a telepointer, which can be used to draw attention to items of interest on each display. These pointers are not the cursors of application programs, but are a separate mechanism supplied by Rapport. They let conferees point to one another and signal for attention. This gives conference members the same opportunities for exchange of control and information as they would have in a face-to-face meeting.
Do you see that?
Yes.
I think we should elaborate a little more on that.
Okay.
Upon joining a conference, a new member is automatically linked to the group. Again, Rapport tries to make connections for as many media as possible, but will settle for a conventional call if necessary. A Rapport user may be linked to several conferences simultaneously. Movement among meetings is accomplished by changing conference windows on the workstation. Although Rapport is still an experiment, it is a helpful integration of phones and computers that allows a group of people not only to talk with one another over a distance, but also to share, manipulate, and edit common displays on their workstations. Rapport provides new opportunities for meetings, letting users interact from their own offices and participate in several conferences simultaneously. It also serves as a computer-based collaboration tool, making available the programs people use day to day for use during group discussions. Rapport. Research toward the next generation of communications technology.